Sure, I caught my redfin in that hole.
Huh?
I caught a redfin in there. We're normally on that side. Yeah. Oh, got him! Oh, that was a ready. That was a ready. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Didn't know. Got him! Oh! He's a good size ready. My was fouled up. Wonder if that's what he got off. It's the dizzy scent, you see. It's all about the dizzy scent, babe. Should be repping it. Oh, Tegan's got him. He got him. He got him hooked well and truly. He hit that hard, didn't he? Don't worry about the net on him. Whoa, that's a
Really
shivers. Well, I didn't think about the net, like to worry about the net, but that's a good ready. Look at that! That's a creek ready. That is a donk. We've actually got the brag mat in the bag. I think I just caught this out of a little creek. 37.
No,
36 and a half.
Yeah.
36 and a half. Just over. So 36 centimetre ready. We'll let him go. Off he goes.